Hello everybody, this is Ricky, and today I'm going to be walking you through problem number 7 from chapter 55 of the Campbell Biology textbook. And this question is asking us which of the following would be an bioremediation. So let's just define bioremediation real quick. Bioremediation is the use of a specific, or is the use of an organism with a specific metabolic process that can aid in removing waste from an ecosystem. So with that in mind, let's go through our answer choices and figure out which is the correct one.